Hey there, financial wizards! Today, we're diving into the world of savings. Whether you're a seasoned saver or a newbie, we've got some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your money. First up, let's talk investments. Investing is a great way to grow your savings, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. The key is to diversify your portfolio, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Next, let's tackle savings accounts. Different accounts suit different needs. High-yield savings accounts can help you earn interest on your cash, while CDIS can be a good option if you have a specific goal in mind, but don't need the funds immediately. And don't forget about retirement accounts. They give you tax benefits and help you build a nest egg for the future. Now, let's discuss saving on everyday expenses. Coupon websites and apps can save you big bucks on groceries and other essentials. And when it comes to big-ticket items, consider using cashback sites and credit cards with rewards points for even more savings. Lastly, but importantly, emergencies happen. That's where an emergency fund comes in handy. Set aside some money in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. It'll give you peace of mind when the unexpected happens. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of everything that has to do with savings. Remember, saving is an ongoing process, so don't be discouraged if you don't meet your goals right away. The key is to keep learning and adjusting as needed. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, happy saving!